Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fix your broken Samsung laser printer. So you need your printer, the printer cable, and the software that you are going to flash to your printer. You need to find these on the internet, on the forums, old forums or like that. So you need to do some digging to find the files that you need. So because I fixed this one, I'm going to show you how the error looks. As you can see, when you open the device, it shows orange light blinking on here. So what you need to do is press the triangle button while turning on the printer. Yes, so the error light should look like that, blinking fast, red and orange. This means this printer is now in USB mode, I guess. I don't know. But it is going to, as you can see, the Windows saw the device. So this is in firmware mode. You need to, I'm going to flash this right now. So you need to drag your file to the USB 2.exe, as you can see. And yes, the light is staying green. It's orange now. Okay, I think it resets itself. I'm going to cut the power and then turn it back on. And I'm going to put a fresh piece of paper in here. So yeah, it's warming up, it's working. As you can see, the printer saw the paper. So I'm going to print test page just for you to see it. Okay. Yes,